Hi, I'm Jamie Pereira, founder of Glow Jar Beauty, and I want to talk to you about our AHA treatment and how this might be an option for you. Because when I came up with this formulation, it was during a time where we weren't able to access services. There was a health concern. So I wanted something we could do at home by ourselves safely, not aggress the skin, but give you almost immediate results. So our skin absolutely knows how to exfoliate itself. Its efficiency does get compromised as we get better with age. So our new skin cells, where they're produced in the bottom layers of our skin, they come to the surface and then naturally shed off. But this process happens really effectively, say, in our 20s, and then say if you're in your 40s like myself, it just is a slower process, which you might be noticing some dry, flaking skin. You might notice the products you're using aren't really doing the work that they used to do. When you put on makeup, things just look dry and cakey. Yeah, you need to exfoliate. Think of it like painting over peeling paint, not doing the prep work. And no matter how expensive the product, the paint is, it's not gonna look right. And that's exactly how exfoliation works. You could ask any makeup artist, and the first thing they're gonna wanna make sure is that your skin is hydrated, but also that you've done some gentle exfoliation days before coming to them. And please do not exfoliate in the morning in the shower. Don't use anything that feels gritty or like sandpaper. That is far too aggressive to the skin, especially 35 and up. Don't want to damage the skin barrier. That will actually leave basically more opportunity for UV and other environmental stressors into the skin, creating more issues. We want a strong, resilient skin barrier. We want things functioning well. We want hydration held in. So one of the biggest mistakes I see is people over exfoliating because they think they'll get faster results. They feel the scrubbing, doing the work because they haven't been consistent. You want to exfoliate consistently year round, at least 1 to 2 times a week. So our AHA treatment, this is a leave-on exfoliant. It's so easy. It blends glycolic acid and lactic acid and other amazing ingredients, but basically it works to chew up those skin cells that are ready to go and supports hydration while it's exfoliating. So how to actually exfoliate in your evening routine. Number 1, you're gonna cleanse the skin. You're gonna clean the skin really well, and then you're gonna pat it dry. And then you're gonna go in with our eye complex, support the eye area. I go around the lips too. This is a sensitive area for me. So now we have this protected because you don't wanna bring exfoliating acids to the eye area. And the night before or 2 nights before, I will use our enzyme exfoliating powder when I'm cleansing the skin, and then I go in with my AHA treatment the next day. And again, this is for anyone other than if you have rosacea or very reactive skin. It could be just too strong for you. In Canada, we can formulate to a max of 10%. This is 7.6. So you're gonna feel some tingling. I can't always do it on my neck, but I'm absolutely going to today. 1 pump for the neck, 1 for the chest. There's a lot of accumulated sun damage that I've, incidentally gotten on my chest. So I wanna work on that as well. The one thing you want to be mindful with any exfoliation is that you do not want to you don't want to go out the next day without your skin being protected because you've just renewed your skin. So wear your sunscreen, wear a hat, don't do it before like a full beach day. And that's it. It's so easy. You just let it dry down, which is 3 minutes, and then simply you just moisturize on top. There's no washing off needed. It's just your exfoliation is done. And again, it will help to hydrate the skin as well with the lactic acid in there. Oh, it feels amazing. And I'm telling you, after 2 applications, you will notice a difference in your skin.